Welcome to our video on how to avoid food poisoning when traveling. Whether you're exploring a new city or a different country, it's important to know how to protect yourself from getting sick from the food you eat. In this video, we'll be sharing tips and tricks on how to stay safe and healthy while on the go. From understanding local food customs to knowing what to look out for when dining out, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on avoiding food poisoning while traveling. When traveling, it's important to take precautions to avoid food poisoning. Food poisoning can cause symptoms such as stomach cramps, diarrhea, and vomiting, which can ruin your trip and make you feel miserable. Here are some tips to help you avoid food poisoning when traveling. 1. Avoid street food. Street food is often prepared in unsanitary conditions, and it's hard to tell if the food has been properly stored or handled. Stick to restaurants that look clean and well maintained. 2. Check the temperature of your food. Make sure your food is hot and properly cooked. Avoid eating raw or undercooked meats, fish, and eggs. 3. Be careful with dairy products. Dairy products can easily spoil in warm climates, so be sure to check the expiration date and make sure they are properly refrigerated. 4. Drink bottled water. Tap water in some countries may not be safe to drink. Be sure to drink only bottled water and avoid ice in drinks. 5. Wash your hands. Before eating, be sure to wash your hands with soap and water. This will help to prevent the spread of germs and bacteria. 6. Be cautious with buffets. Buffet food can sit out for long periods of time, which can allow bacteria to grow. Be sure to take only what you plan to eat and avoid food that has been sitting out for too long. 7. Be aware of local health warnings. Before you travel, check for any local health warnings and be aware of any potential food safety issues in the area you will be visiting. 8. Keep food fresh while traveling. If you're traveling with your own food, make sure to keep it fresh by packing it in insulated containers. Perishable items such as meat, dairy, and fruits should be stored in a cooler with ice packs. 9. Avoid tap water and ice cubes. Tap water in some countries may not be safe to drink. Avoid using tap water for brushing your teeth and make sure to drink only bottled water. Avoid ice cubes in your drinks as they may have been made from tap water. 10. Keep food fresh while traveling. If you're traveling with your own food, make sure to keep it fresh by packing it in insulated containers. Perishable items such as meat, dairy, and fruits should be stored in a cooler with ice packs. Thanks for watching our video on how to avoid food poisoning when traveling. Remember to always be mindful of where you're eating and what you're consuming. Stick to reputable restaurants and street vendors, and avoid eating raw or undercooked foods. Additionally, make sure to keep your hands clean and always carry hand sanitizer. By following these simple tips, you can greatly reduce your risk of food poisoning while on the go. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful travel tips and advice. Safe travels!